Come on, man. Let's do the unboxing.
Hold still. Turn around.
No.
I'm just... Don't blame me.
Come on, man. Get out of here, man. UPS special. Put it here. So we ordered a part that came in. Well, half of it came in. Radiator installation tips. Never open a hot radiator. It will blow up. Hold on. Another radiator installation tips.
So what is this thing?
This is the radiator.
But why is this radiator special?
Special?
Special.
It's special because it's the one that's going to fit.
Just lay it on there.
Let's make sure it's not all damaged.
You got a piece of styrofoam in it.
Where?
The bottom there. So this is a dual core thickness, dual bypass, correct?
Yes. And it's supposed to have fans, but they're coming in later.
And it's set up for an LS motor, which is what we're doing. You'll notice the fact that both the inlet and the outlet, or whatever, vice versa, are both on the one side, which is what LS motors need.
And Ray Charles himself welded this thing.
They're not that bad. Actually look pretty good. Where's your radiator cap?
Yeah, about that.
You get a radiator with no radiator cap? For real?
I guess so.
That radiator cap isn't gonna fit it. There's no radiator in there, by the way.
Hey, there's no radiator in here.
Yeah, I don't remember exactly where we put your radiator. I think it's out on one of the trucks in the backyard.
Yeah, there's no cap in this thing. So I'm gonna call them up, get another cap sent.
Yeah, you should probably ask about a cap. I find it to be a little weird that it doesn't come with a cap.
I found it weird that it didn't get shipped with plugs.
No, that doesn't. I don't find that weird.
Well, when you get the box that's freaking opened, destroyed. So this is a Northern radiator.
Northern makes it?
Northern.
I thought it was a company that made it.
No, so the radiator's from Northern, and then they make a shroud. They make the shroud and stuff for it.
Huh. Well, I think they make the cap. They put the caps on too. I think Northern is just the core.
Well, there's a warranty on this.
Oh, okay.
But we can't remove the sticker, or the warranty's void. We gotta tighten this thing. This thing almost fell out.
Yeah, let's just throw it in there. It's a billet aluminum piece here.
It's not bad.
Pretty nice.
For a few bones, you get what you need.
Yeah.
Rather than J-rig something together, so.
Yeah, so the trick here with this, we're gonna need to get, oh wow, those are thick. So we gotta get mounts welded to...
I did pay Tony.
Oh, did you?
I did. I gave him a bottle of Grey Goose.
God damn.
So. Well, he's gonna be doing a lot of love.
Yeah, he is. Yeah, he is. Can you turn the lights on?
Yeah.
So yeah, we need to get the
other one in.
We need to get the other one mounted, so we can get that mounted, which will then dictate where we're going to mount that one.
I don't think that goes there.
What?
Coolant.
No, it does. In the exhaust.
That's the new way that we're doing it.
It's a boat.
Oh,
Boats.
damn it! I forgot about that.
Yeah, I think we talked about this.
I'm just an idiot. I'm sorry.
Oh, hey, look, it's right here. See if that fits in there.
No, I definitely.
It actually might.
Oh. No.
You sure?
Oh, hey. Ooh, there's some gunk in here.
Alright, so yeah, we're gonna mock some stuff up and see what we can make fit. And then I think we're gonna figure out turbos too today, too.
Yep. We'd like to get that ordered. Hopefully, USPS jacks us up and we get 2 sets of them.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
That'd be very nice.
Alright, so we'll catch you up. All right, if you could get in there and hit some marks on my holes, or am I directly in your way both sides? Okay, hold the bottom.
Got it.
Hold on.
Yep, I'm waiting for you.
All right, I got it, but I got to come down just a wee bit.
Yep, let me know.
Does it look level?
Shoot, I don't know, man. Do you have that level out here still?
It's over by the welding station. That way a bit. All right, so which way?
Left side up.
How about down? What side down? Right side down?
Right side down. Right side down. Right side down. Oh no, shoot, left side down, sorry. Yep. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Left side down a little bit. Left side down. A little bit more. Oh, perfect. Right there.
Hold on, honey.
Oh, yep, perfect still. Good.
Yeah?
Yeah, let me know. Good.
Right, did. All right, other side. I got this one. Grab the label first. The real question is how I'm going to do it, and it's not much in the way of room here. Watch your foot now.
God, look at that stud. Remember, people, don't look at the welding arc.
It'll burn out when it's done.
Yeah, I'm gonna check to see if it's too if it waved out. No, it didn't. Good.
No. I got it turned way down.
Yeah.
Alright, I need you to put that level across the bottom.
Yes, sir.
Left down just a tad.
Oh, shit.
Money.
Right there?
Yep.
Alright, I need you to grab the marker. Oh. And go ahead and mark.
Over here.
Yeah, if you can. No. Mark the bolt head. See where the bolt? Yeah. Stick it in there and just. Yep. Perfect. Alright.
Grab it.
Yep. Now I just gotta get that nut off without burning my hand.
I get a wrench.
Oh. Don't grab that.
Yeah, no, not gonna do that. Still a good idea.
Huh?
Still a good idea.
Yeah. Alright. I'm only doing 2 tacks because I'm going to make sure this fits, because if it doesn't, it's going to suck.
2 tacks gonna work?
I don't know. I'm about to find out. Oh,
No.
honey.
Oh, money.
Yeah, look. Like,
I can see it. Looks great.
boom. Alright, cool. I will weld that one in and we'll go from there.
I thought you were gonna hang it up.
I am, yeah. I'm going to...
We can mark it again.
Yeah. Just debating how I want to do it, because realistically, for these ones, we should let it cool down and put the nuts on and tighten them,
I'm done with
and
that.
level. This way we can get our mark. We'll put our marks. We'll put both of them on. And actually, at that point, I'll probably crawl up under and I'll try and tack them while it's on. Because if it's not perfect, getting it on and off is going to be a total pain in the ass.
Yeah, no, that's pretty smart.
Which, as much as I would like to say we're never going to take it off, it's going to come off 20 million times. So
Everything's gonna come off.
20 million times.
20. You got it.
Where'd that wrench run off to?
I have it.
Right, nice and easy.
You good?
Yep, I got it. Oh, what was that?
This is the hood release.
Oh shit, I'm picking up the fins. Alright. Sweet. Now I do the weldings. You sure you don't want to use sheet metal screws?
Oh yeah, one just fell. We'll put it in.
Here,
You sure you don't want to use sheet metal screws?
well, I mean, we've done by now.
Yeah, but would we be done by now? Would it be done?
Would it be done?
I mean, it would be done now, but in 3 months, would it be done?
Alright. We got a wire brush.
I don't know yet.
Oh, what is that? Rust-Oleum.
Black.
That's that good stuff. Don't worry, don't use that.
Well, I mean, it's just gonna fuck. If I put the cheap shit on there, what's the difference?
It's not cheap. That stuff's good.
I know, what's going on here? Remove that camera. I'll take that later.
I don't know. Yeah, I'm really stoked with how
I completely 100% agree.
that came out.
How about really?